The International Residential Code requires every exterior wall to prevent water accumulation by providing a water-resistive barrier behind the cladding, the exterior siding materials, and a means of draining that water that penetrates the siding. This isn't optional. It's a fundamental moisture protection requirement that's often hidden from view during typical home inspections. Every exterior wall needs two basic components, a water-resistive barrier, we say WRB, like house wrap or building paper behind the siding, and a drainage system to let water that happens to get behind the siding to flow back out. Water will eventually find its way behind most siding materials. The key is giving it a path to escape before it causes damage. There are several WRB approaches. The drainage cavity system that relies on deflection, drainage, and drying, and they work well in most climates. Faced sealed systems depend entirely on the outer surface preventing penetration. It's risky if defects develop. Concealed barrier systems use porous cladding over internal drainage plates. Rain screen systems add pressure equalizations, but are uncommon in the United States. Common drainage plane materials include 15-pound tarred felt, various house wraps like Tyvek or R-Wrap, and water-resistant sheathing. Non-perforated wraps resist water better, but may trap vapor. And in humid climates, you want some vapor permeability with good water resistance. Testing shows Tyvek, R-Wrap, 15-pound felt generally perform well. Installation quality determines effectiveness. Materials must be properly lapped with upper layers over lower layers, like roof shingles, right? Integration with flashing systems is crucial. Since installation happens before siding, you can't see these details during most home inspections. Poor installation can trap water and cause more damage than having no barrier at all. The International Residential Code, section R703.3.1, requires specific clearances for vinyl and similar sidings, 6 inches minimum from ground to prevent moisture wicking and splashback, and 1/2 inch minimum from other surfaces like decks and concrete slabs to allow thermal expansion and air circulation. These clearances prevent deterioration and allow proper moisture management. During home inspections, look for missing or damaged house wrap at visible areas, improper flashing integration, blocked weep holes, and siding clearance violations. And the common problems include landscaping that changes the reduced ground clearance and siding touching deck or roof surfaces. Remember that most WRB components are hidden, so focus on the visible indicators of system problems. WRB effectiveness depends on proper installation and good integration with roof overhangs, which reduce moisture loads and provide drying opportunities. Even the best WRB won't compensate for poor flashing details at penetrations. The system works as a complete moisture management approach, not individual components. Recognize your inspection limitations. Most WRB components are concealed behind siding. Focus on visible evidence of system performance: water staining, water deterioration, clearance problems, obvious flashing problems. When you suspect WRB issues, recommend a contractor qualified to handle that.